Getting a ProRes Not Supported Error on your iPhone while trying to record videos? It usually happens because of compatibility issues, low storage, or wrong settings. No worries, this guide will walk you through simple steps to fix it so you can start recording in ProRes without any problem. Let's jump into the solutions. Solution 1. Reenable ProRes in Settings. Open the Settings app and tap Camera. Tap Formats. At the bottom, you'll find Apple ProRes option. Toggle it off. Solution 2. Change recording resolution. Open Camera. Switch to the video mode. Tap on 4K from the upper right corner of the screen and set it to HD. Tap on FPS next to HD and set it to 30. Now turn on ProRes from the upper left corner of the screen, and it should not show that error anymore. Remember, if you want to record in 4K, you will need at least 256 GB of storage. And that's how you fix the ProRes Not Supported error on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.